Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to today's, I shall say, podcast. Listen, I am Sweet Angel. Many of you will know me from Beauty by Sweet Angel that I carried on for years. And I particularly focused on my DIY facials, and I enjoyed making homemade treatments, especially for anti-aging and mature skin. But listen, y'all. In 2023, that channel was deleted. It's hard to believe that it's been so long ago, but it was. And listen, even though I said to y'all that I would be bringing on some of those recipes and great information back to this channel, it has been a very daunting task, and I am just completely right now pumping the brakes. I mean, I have parked, okay? There is no way I can do it. But what I can do is run my big mouth and share with you all some of those recipes that you all ask about and have desires to continue to use. So here you will find me bringing and sharing that information. If that's going to be all right with you, please go ahead, like this video right now. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, now's the time to do it, because you don't want to miss one of these recipes. Listen, I have tons. I have so many that I continue to use on a regular basis that I wanted to share. And today's video is all about this DIY Buttermilk facial mask. I'm going to share its uses, its benefits, and even how to store it if that is possible. So I want you to get your pen and paper. Oh, no. Scratch that. Everything that you'll need will be listed in the description box. Anything that you need to purchase will be listed in the description box. And let me tell you, I am an affiliate of just about everything. So most times I will be using affiliate links. And you do know affiliate links earn commission. So please be mindful of that. I am totally in my element right now because I love to talk and I love to run my mouth. So right now I'm going to stop and get to this recipe. Let me tell you the ingredients of this DIY buttermilk facial mask, y'all. You'll need 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is for hydration. You'll need 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, and that is for like gentle exfoliation. And you'll need a ½ teaspoon of turmeric. That is going to be for brightening. Now that is an optional ingredient and you don't necessarily have to put it in here, okay? Well, let me tell you how to make and apply it. You're going to mix all of these ingredients in a bowl until you get a smooth paste. And then you're going to apply this evenly to your skin, clean skin. Be mindful of that. Always start with a fresh, clean face. Please don't get this near your eye area. You're going to avoid the eye area. Now leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? And then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. All right? Simple enough, right? Now the uses and benefits, I've got to break this out for you because that's what I do. You know, me looking up things and researching, I found out that buttermilk has lactic acid in it, which helps to fade dark spots and even out skin tone, okay? And as a gentle exfoliator, this mask is going to help remove dead skin cells, making your skin smooth. And not only that, what's going to happen using this mask? Your skin is going to be hydrated and soft. It's going to deeply nourish and lock in moisture. And if you have any irritation, this mask is great for sensitive skin or inflamed skin. It's going to help to soothe irritation. And for those fighting acne, it has antibacterial properties, which is going to help keep your breakouts at bay. And let's talk about using this, how often to use it. If you have oily combination skin, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Oily combination skin, 2 to 3 times a week. If you have dry skin, 1 to 2 times a week. And yes, can it be stored? That is always a question because y'all know these are homemade DIY treatments. They don't have shelf life like you get when you buy products at the store. Those things have all kind of enhancements that they can last for a minute, okay? When it comes to fresh remedies and treatments, fresh is best, okay? Buttermilk can spoil quickly. So guess what? You can refrigerate this for up to 24 hours in an airtight container. And that's it. After then, you got to toss it out. But do not freeze it, as it will definitely alter the texture and the effectiveness of this facial mask. This again is a DIY buttermilk facial mask. And there you have it, beautiful babes. I'm Sweet Angel. I'm signing out for now, but you will be hearing from me really soon. So again, get ready for it. Make sure you do not skip the description box because I will have the majority of everything that I talked about right there handy for you. I'll see you soon. Bye now.